Welcome to Ignitive Trading Hub channel. It's Rasogo speaking. So welcome again to another new video. So in today's video I'll be analyzing Sythentic indices. As you know, Sythentic indices, they are on the Deriv platform. So I thought maybe I should also do analysis on them too, because I did tell you guys that supply and demand, it's a one-star strategy, but it works in all markets, whereby it can work in currencies, indices, Sythentic indices, equities, EFTs, options, and also cryptocurrency. See, all the markets, as long as there is the price and there is the price chart, then you can apply supply and demand. So I'll be analyzing these instruments here. I will just select a random instrument. Yeah, so let's get to it without wasting any time. Sorry. So currently I'm on Boom 1000 index. As you can see, Boom 1000 index on the monthly time frame. As you know, I always tell you guys, you start at the monthly time frame, at the higher time frame for top-down analysis, so that you can determine the initial trend, right? So Boom 1000 index, you can see the monthly time frame, it's bullish. As you can see, the price has been bullish the past 2 or 3 months. So you can say that the reason why it has been bullish, you want to know why it has been bullish, okay? So you can see that with this candle here, it was rejecting from a certain level around this area here. So we want to know why the price has been bullish from this level here. So let us check on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we do have some sort of a rally-based rally pattern here, demand zone here, which held the price for the first time. Let me check. Yes, it's a rally-based rally demand zone, which held the price for the first time, held it for the second time, and this was the third reaction. Okay, so we can say that the price is going up on the monthly time frame because the price is rejecting from a hidden monthly demand zone here, which is visible on the weekly time frame. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, we can also say that the price is bullish because it's rejecting from a weekly demand zone, which is within a hidden monthly demand zone, like I mentioned on the monthly time frame. Okay, as you can also see, also on the weekly time frame, it has been bullish ever since the past, we can say that 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, so we'll go to the daily time frame. So the fact that on the monthly and on the weekly, the price is bullish, of which means on the daily time frame, we have to look for fresh daily demand zones. So as you can see here, we have a drop-based rally demand zone here. You can see that with a drop-based rally daily demand zone. So if I had to mark the fresh daily demand zone, I will say here. Okay, let me delete this Fibonacci here. So this is our fresh daily demand zone, and I had to refine it to get a fresh zone with a low risk. Okay, on the smaller time frames. So I did find this drop-based rally demand zone here. As you can see, there's a significant bullish imbalance here, as you can see. So this is my demand zone within our daily demand zone. So that's my demand zone on Boom 1000 index. As you can see, it's a low risk zone, and you can see the reward is very great. Then we have a very beautiful significant bullish move here. Okay, so let us wait for the price and see if it will come back to this area here so that we can buy. If it doesn't come back to this area here, then we can keep looking for another fresh daily demand zone. If it doesn't form any fresh daily demand zone, then wait for the price to come here, unless the price is opposing from an opposing zone. As you can see here already, it's opposing from this opposing zone. As you can see, it's coming from a fresh daily supply here. As you can see, this is a rally based job supply zone. So there are chances that the price might break this demand. There are chances that it might hold. You just have to minimize your risk. As you can see, it's coming from an opposing zone here. Fine, so let us go to the next pair. So currently I'm on step index. As you can see on step index, on the monthly time frame, the price is currently here. So as you can see, this month it has been bearish with this bearish candle here. It was coming down. As you can see, it has been rejecting to the upward side. As you can see, this bearish candle here, it has a rejection to the upward side. So want to know why the price on the monthly time frame is rejecting to the upward side with this bearish candle? So it's because it's rejecting from this monthly demand zone here. It's a drop based rally monthly demand zone. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price is rejecting from this weekly demand zone here, which is within the monthly demand zone. Sorry. So that's our weekly demand zone here. As you can see, the price is rejecting from a weekly demand zone, which is within this monthly demand zone here. So we can say that the price is rejecting from a monthly drop-based rally demand zone, and on the weekly time frame, it's rejecting from this rally-based rally demand zone on the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, we'll have to look for a fresh daily demand zone. So as you can see here, I did spot this fresh drop-based rally demand zone here. The reason why I say it's a drop-based rally demand zone, as you can see, the price was coming down, then started moving sideways. As you can see with these wicks here, after moving sideways, then we have a significant rally here. As you can see, this strong bullish move. Okay, you can verify it on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, it's a drop-based rally here. So I had to refine it on the smaller time frame to find a low risk and high reward zone, and I found it here on the 2-hour time frame. As you can see, we had a drop-based rally. The price came to react here, then left another fresh demand zone here. As you can see, we have a very beautiful, significant bullish imbalance here away from the zone. So that's our demand zone on step index. Excuse me guys, I have flu-ish. I'm still battling flu here. So currently I'm on Boom 300 index. So Boom 300 index, as you can see, it's rejecting from this monthly supply zone here. As you can see on the monthly time frame, it's rejecting from that monthly supply zone, which is a more of like a drop-based drop supply zone, but we can also say that it's a rally-based drop supply zone. As you can see with this week here, there is an ongoing activity around here. You can verify it on the weekly time frame. So for now, we'll say that it's rejecting from a monthly supply zone here. Then let's check it on the weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, you can say that the price is rejecting from a weekly supply zone, which is within a monthly supply zone here. Then we can also say that the price just engulfed this bullish candle to the downward side, which is also a signal for us. Okay, you can say that the price just engulfed this bullish candle. So we can confirm that it's bearish here on boom 300 index, because the price is coming from a monthly supply zone, it's coming from a hidden weekly supply zone which is within a monthly supply. Then the price just engulfed this bullish candle here to the downward side. So of which means on the daily time frame we have to look for a fresh daily supply. Okay, so in that case, so before we look for a fresh daily supply, you can see that within our monthly supply the prices did reject from this daily supply here. As you can see, this is a drop-based drop supply zone here. As you can see, it accurately turned on that area there. That's how powerful the daily supply zones are, which are within the monthly and the weekly supply zones. So we'll have to look for a fresh daily supply zone and then refine it on the smaller time frame for a low risk entry. Okay, so I've marked this as our first daily supply zone. As you can see, with we have a very strong drop here or significant bearish move. Okay, so I marked this area here as our supply zone. So let us refine it on the smaller time frame so that I show you what I found. So that's the zone that I found on the 2-hour time frames. Yeah, it's within our daily supply zone. So as you can see here, it's more of like a rally based drop. As you can see, it has a very significant bearish move away from the zone. As you can see, it's a fresh zone. So that's our supply zone on boom 300 index. Hey, I will have to cut this video short, guys, because my throat is not good. I will record a proper video on the weekend, as I'll be updating you guys with these instruments, because they are moving 24/7. Excuse me for this, please excuse me for this. So on the monthly time frame on crash 500 index, as you can see, it's dropping to the downward side. We have a bearish monthly candle here, so we can see that the price is rejecting from this monthly supply zone here. Actually, it's not this monthly supply zone. As you can see, it did engulf out of this monthly supply. Let me check properly. Sorry for that. Oh, good. So as you can see, the price is rejecting from this rally based drop supply zone here, this monthly supply zone. The price is rejecting from this monthly rally based drop here. As you can see, it's dropping and it's about to engulf this bullish candle on the monthly time frame. Okay, let us check the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price is rejecting from a hidden weekly supply zone, which is within this monthly supply here. So we can also say that the price just engulfed this bullish candle here on the weekly time frame, which is a signal too. Then we can see that the price is about to engulf this weekly demand zone here. Okay, but we'll see. As you can see, the price is still within this weekly demand zone. So in this case, you will have to look for bearish opportunities, for sell opportunities. So I had to look for a fresh daily supply zone. So this is my fresh daily supply zone here. As you can see, it's a rally based drop supply zone with a strong move away from the zone. Then I had to refine it on the smaller time frame to get a low risk zone. So I found the zone here on the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's a rally based drop supply zone here. It's a rally based job plus a drop based drop supply zone with a strong move. We can also say that we have a QML here on the left. As you can see, it's a QML. There's the high, low, higher high, then there's the lower low. So wait for the price to come in right at our supply zone here, which is within our daily supply zone. If it doesn't come to rate to this zone here, then you'll have to look for another fresh daily supply zone. Yo. I'm so sorry for this, guys. Yo, let me do the last pair. Sorry, I meant the last instrument. These are not pairs. So currently I'm on volatility 75 index monthly time frame. As you can see, volatility the current month is bearish and it just engulfed this bullish candle. So we'll say that why is it going to the downward side? So you can see it's rejecting from this monthly supply zone here. As you can see, we had a top base top supply zone. The price came to react and started dropping again. Then we can also say that the price is rejecting from this monthly supply here. As you can see, this one is very obvious. So the price is rejecting from this monthly supply zone here. It has been dropping ever since. Okay, let's check the weekly time frame. So as you can also see on the weekly time frame, the price is rejecting from the very same weekly supply zone, which is within that monthly supply zone here. So in that case, of which means you are bearish. So I had to look for a fresh daily supply zone. As you can see, this is my first daily supply zone here. I marked it. So I had to refine this first daily supply zone here on the smaller time frame to look for a low risk and high reward entry. I found my zone here on the 20 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's a rally based drop combined with the drop based drop here, supply zone. As you can see, the price is already within my zone, so we'll see how it reacts. As you can see, it's already within. There's the second reaction. Okay, so if ever it fails, then if the price breaks this supply zone, then you can focus on this fresh daily supply zone here. Then you can refine this fresh daily supply zone. Let me check for a second option if ever this zone fails. So you can see already we have this drop based drop supply zone here. Yeah, that's the only valid zone here on the 4 hour time frame. So if ever this zone fails, then you can focus on this one above here. That's how it is, guys. You just have to manage your risk properly. If this zone fails, then you can be able to get on another zone, to get another chance to go to execute. Okay, you must just have to preserve your capital. So I'll have to end it here, guys, because you can see my throat is itching and it's irritating me, so it's disturbing me here, and I don't want this video to be long for me to upload it. So if you have any questions, please ask me on my Facebook, or you can ask there in the comments. I'll be there to assist or answer you. I'll record another video by Saturday, which today is Friday, so I'll record another video by Saturday, which is tomorrow, maybe late. Then I'll drop it in the evening to update you guys on this pace. Okay, so my apologies for the inconvenience, for the interruptions, guys, but I just wanted to record the video for you guys so that you can get an idea that you can still apply the strategy on another market too. So thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and share with your friends. I really appreciate you guys, for those who are supporting me, for those who have subscribed, for those who are liking my videos. I really appreciate it. Okay, I just hope we keep going like this.